it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I'm planning the week of Monday, May 14th in my Erin Condren Hourly Planner. I'm going to be using this kit from Cricut Paper Co. It's been kind of a while since I've used a kit from Cricut Paper Co., but I was just like really feeling this soft florals. This is like kind of my last spring kit. Next week I have a really special collab video that's like sort of a springy kit, sort of planner themed. I'm really excited about that, but then after that I'm going to be switching to summer kits. I absolutely just love the art on this. I was like super into Cricut Paper Co kits for a while, but then the only thing I don't like about them is that they don't really have any deco or functional icons, but I did have this sheet from Hello Petite Paper, which is just like these watercolor flowers, and I thought this matched like really perfectly, so I'll be bringing this in, plus like a bunch of character stickers and silver foil. And then I did grab some Simply Gilded washi. I have this was I think the Easter basket exclusive washi that everyone got who got an Easter basket, and then I have two of my skinny candy bows, and then this like blue hollow clouds, or kind of a soft purpley one. I think this looks really pretty with the kit, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. So I love the watercolor flowers in this kit, and I really like the bottom washi. I wanted to bring in a little Simply Gilded, but I didn't want to cut too much off of the washi because I just really like the florals. So I'm just trimming a thin strip to pair that with the sort of spotted washi. I thought that would look really cute together, and that way I could just keep most of the bottom washi. Plus then, as an added bonus, I have that extra washi that I cut off to use throughout the week, because the Cricut Paper Co kits don't come with washi strips, and I do like having those. So it's been forever since I've used date covers from a kit and not foiled ones, but I just love these. Even though there's like full boxes and stuff that match them, I just decided to use them. And then I am going to run that Easter egg basket washi across the top. And these date dots are from Rose Shadow Collection. So we've had like a really nice week, and now my parents are here for the weekend. I talked about that last week, but it's really fun. I'm so glad that they were able to come out one last time before we take our big trip home this summer. We are planning on going, my parents have a beach house, so we're planning on sort of living at my parents' beach house for a nice long time this summer, which I'm super excited about. I do have to figure out how to pack all my planner stuff for that. I can't believe I'm already thinking about that, but this has become my life, and now I am figuring out how to bring 6 weeks worth of planner stuff with me. So hopping over to the sidebar, I did double speed up the washi, etc. Let me know if you like that better in the comments below, or if you prefer the slower where I just sort of chat a bit more, or if you have any questions you want me to answer, I'm happy to do that too. I know a lot of people do that, and I usually really like that. So let me know what you want in the comments below, and I'm happy to oblige. So this week header and the ombre were the same color. So the this week header and the ombre checklist were the same color, so I decided to break that up with a little bit of the washi that I cut off from the bottom strip below. Then I decided to move my habit trackers back into my EC for this week and out of my TN. I'm not really sure why, I just felt like doing it. Then I'm going to cap this off with some washi and use a half box for my word of the week. I love that her half boxes are squared off in the Cricut Paper Co kits, so you don't have to use any washi. They're just already square, which is really nice. Oh, just looking at these soft purples is making me so happy. I'm so glad I decided to use this kit this week. I just love the colors and the florals, and I just really wanted to use silver foil, which is why I picked this kit for this week. I don't know why. I was just I need silver foil in my life this week. Anyway, then I realized the stuff at the bottom was too close together, and the Cricut Paper Co sticker paper is totally repositionable. It's that matte vinyl, which is not my favorite paper, but it is really nice that you can move the stickers around really easily. So I just decided to sort of move everything up to leave myself a little bit more space at the bottom, so that I could just have a drop of white space in between my bottom washi. So then just going back in with some icons for the sidebar. The Cricut Paper kit doesn't come with any icons, so I pulled out some functional stuff that I had. The camera is from Hello Petite Paper, and the cupcake is from Inky and the Brain, and then the little workout scribbler is from Scribble Prints Co. Then I am just going to fix that little weird fold before I start doing the full boxes. This kit is just making me so happy right now. It's just like so different from what I've been using lately. Not that I don't love what I've been using, but like it's just nice to mix it up sometimes. The boxes on this are like all just like kind of patterny and floral and simple, and I just like, I don't know, I'm just really feeling this week with the colors and everything. I think just because it's so different from what I used last week for Mother's Day, which was the mystery kit from Scribble Prince Go, which I also loved, but this is just like so different. Anyway, this video is going to go up on Mother's Day, so a very happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, including myself. I hope you are all having a very nice, relaxing, fun day, either by yourself or with your kids, whatever floats your boat. Anyway, I decided to mix some foil headers from Rose Colored Days with the glitter headers that come with the kit. I just like the foil headers. I love them, but they can be like a lot, especially if you use them every day. So I like to like kind of mix them in with other things sometimes. Plus, I just really like the colors on the glitter headers that came with the kit, and like the glitter headers are included as part of the kit on the Cricut Paper Go kits. It doesn't come with pattern washi or solid washi, but it does come with the glitter headers. I feel like her kits have like a very different like layout than a lot of other kits do, like because there's like no deco and no icons or anything like that, but they come with like so many I guess functional items, boxes, whatever you want to call them. I mean, I think this kit had like 14 half boxes in it or something crazy like that. So I actually have been using them a lot in my B6, which I do plan on eventually doing some Plan With Me's in there, but I will keep you posted on when that will be happening. I have been posting pictures of my layouts on Instagram at My Crafty Plans if you are interested in seeing that. And I've been using that instead of my bullet journal while I'm on maternity leave and, you know, potentially after due. Anyway, that flag was from Station Stickers, and then I just decided to use the Today headers where I had used the foil headers, and then I'm going to do glitter headers with script words where I used the glitter headers the other time. I realize that statement wasn't 100% clear, but you will see what I am talking about in just a second when I grab my script Today's from Rose Colored Days. This week shouldn't be too busy. It's like the same number of things as usual, but it's like kind of different. There's like a concert at the library instead of story time. My parents are still in on Monday, and then we don't have swim this week. So I like sort of switched around my nanny hours, and you know, we'll be mixing things up a little bit just because our activities are a little bit different this week, but like not entirely dissimilar. So anyway, then I'm just going to lay down my meal little things, and you have to follow the colorway in the kit, or I guess you don't have to, but the kit only comes with exactly 7, so there's only one color that has 3, so you want to put that on Monday or I want to put that on Monday so that the colors aren't too close together. There are no rules with how to plan, so you can do whatever you want, but I like the colors to be spread out, so I did make sure to go in order of the colorway so that I could have the purples spaced out. So then since there were so many half boxes and I've been like doing other workouts besides just walking, I decided to use half boxes to write down my steps for the week, and also I can put down any other workouts that I did if I do another workout on that day. This will be week 2 of the fitness challenge I'm doing, which is the Tone It Up Bikini series. I've really been like enjoying that and just been feeling great and trying to move a little bit more. And I actually just finished setting up my fitness TN, which I'm so excited about. And my flip through of that is actually going to go up this week as my non-Plan With Me video. I've been putting out 2 videos a week, if you haven't noticed, for quite some time now. But I am just like really excited about that. I absolutely love the setup. Like when I first started doing it, I didn't love it, and it just like as it got going, I just got so into it, and I remade some of the earlier dashboards, and now it's like one of my favorite setups ever. I kind of feel like that's how I am with TNs though. Like it's so hard to get started, but then like once you're in the flow, it's like it just like starts to come together at a certain point. Anyway, so I decided to use these little flags to mark my nanny hours for the week. I used those Simply Watercolor Co. clear bow clips to draw attention to the days or the hours that she's working that are like different than usual, so I don't forget. Anyway, then on Monday, like I said, my parents are still going to be here. They're flying out in the evening, so I put down a half box because I'm sure we'll do something fun. Not exactly sure what that will be yet. Then I just use this larger flag to mark my parents leaving and what time we have to take them to the airport. Then I decided to put the baby weight thing on Tuesday. I've been weighing my son once a week and use the scallop box for that. Wednesday was just a really busy day, so I just decided to do it on Tuesday instead. So then on Wednesday, TN video will be up, and then we also have that concert at the library. So I still did use a library clear sticker from Station Stickers. That is a custom, and I went back in with a baby icon from Station Stickers as well on the baby weight thing, and then I just put down a glitter header. I'm going to use a character sticker there. I'll come back in with my characters at the end, and that is to mark it is laundry day. So on Thursday I'm going to be doing a bunch of filming as usual, and then I also just wanted to leave myself a note that we don't have swim, and so I kind of have that marked down twice because my nanny is also going to come in the morning instead of the afternoon because we don't have swim. Those words and the icons are from Rose Colored Days. On Friday, our cleaning people are coming, so I marked that down. And then we will either be going to story time at the library or Touch Bots at my daughter's future preschool. I have not decided yet, but either way, that would be like a fun activity, so I decided to use a playtime script word from Station Stickers instead of a library one, just in case we decide to go to the other activity. Then I hopped over to Sunday and used a scallop label to mark down my plan with me for the week, which is going to be a collab plan with me. I'm so excited about that, so definitely check that out. I'm really just like very pumped for it. Anyways, then Saturday afternoon we have a birthday party for one of my daughter's friends, and that glitter header I will use to do like what I did with what I'm going to do with the laundry one to mark any errands. And then Sunday we are doing mega meal prep again. So then I just went back in with the character stickers. The dinos and scribblers are from Scribble Prints Co. The munchkins are from Once More with Love, and those bow clips are from Simply Watercolor Co. and they're from a Simply Foiled Tuesday. And then that spray bottle is from Hello Petite Paper, as is that airplane, and then the sneaker is from a Simply Ginger Co. freebie. And this teal bow and the TN are both from Scribble Prints Co. as well, as are the balloons I used on the birthday. Okay, so that is everything. I'm going to turn off the camera and fill this out, but since I forgot to mention it at the end of the video, all of the writing is going to be in a Tombow Mono drawing pen in the planner and in a Sharpie Ultrafine on the sticker. The Cricut Paper Co. stickers, you absolutely have to use a Sharpie on. I will be right back. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I also put down a weekend banner because I realized I had forgot that. That is from Rose Shadow Collection, and it is like well kiss cut, but I did just find that Rose Colored Days has some clear background ones, so I did go ahead and order those. I really love how soft and purple and pretty this is, and the silver foil. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and definitely check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Bye!